Good morning, students. How are you? Are you fine? Thank you. Yesterday I have completed present tense. Today I am going to teach you past indefinite tense. Students, you know very well the past indefinite tense. What is the past tense? The work happened in past, that is called the past indefinite tense. Now I am telling you about the past indefinite, the general structure, subject, plus verb की second form plus object and etc. This is the general structure of past indefinite tense. Here we don't use a helping verb. As you know, in present indefinite tense, affirmative sentence, we don't use also helping verb. Same in past indefinite tense, affirmative sentence, we don't use the helping verb also. So what is the structure? The subject, verb की second form, object and etc. It is the formula of the past indefinite tense. I am telling you one example. He went over. Here he is subject, went verb की second form, over etc. Go, went and gone. This is the verb की second form, this is the verb की first form and this is the verb की third form. So in past indefinite affirmative sentence we use verb की second form. Verb की second form, the example he went over. This is the affirmative sentence. Now we frame a negative sentence of past indefinite tense. So what? He did not go to Alwar. Did not go, यानी कि did not go, we use the helping verb in negative sentence. When we use the did not, we use verb की first form with did not. This is the negative sentence. So students, you should always remember only present indefinite tense affirmative sentence and past indefinite affirmative sentence we don't use helping verb. But in present indefinite negative sentence we use the helping verb. What helping verb use? Do not and does not and verb की first form. Here what change? Did not plus verb की first form. So in past indefinite tense we use the helping verb did, but when we use the did not, then we don't use the verb की second form, then we use the verb की first form with did, verb की first form. So this is the negative sentence. Now we make a interrogative sentence. What we do, did start हो जाएगा, did helping verb first में जाएगा, did he go to Alwar? Did he go to Alwar? Did he not go to Alwar? Now we make the WH sentence. Why did he go to Alwar? So there are the sentences on the blackboard: affirmative sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, interrogative and negative sentence, and WH sentence. Always, once again I am telling you, always remember present indefinite, affirmative sentence, past indefinite, affirmative sentence. We don't use any helper verb, but we use, when we make a sentence negative, interrogative and etc., in present indefinite we use the do and does with helping verb, and past indefinite, when we make a sentence negative, interrogative and interrogative negative, then we use the did not plus verb की first form. And when we use the did, we use the verb की first form, not a second form. We use second form only in affirmative sentence. So this is the past indefinite tense. Students, I told you again and again many times कि you should make practice to frame sentences at your home. I believe you are framing the sentence at your home, as I given you homework daily on the blackboard, 10 sentences as per tense: present indefinite, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Now today is the past indefinite tense. When we frame a sentences 10 in different types of the sentences, then you will feel confidence. You will feel confidence. I know the tense. In present indefinite, what is the present indefinite tense and what is the present continuous tense? Present indefinite tense, we use the do does. Continuous, we use is, MR. Perfect, we use the have as. And perfect continuous tense, yesterday I told you, we use the have been, has been, and since and for. And since and for time. Yesterday I told you also about the present perfect continuous tense. I have been working for 2 hours. She has been preparing tea since Monday. For example, these are the examples of the present perfect continuous. Now today I told you about the past indefinite tense. So students, daily you make the sentence at your home. The homework today is the homework. You learn the alpha structure and 10 sentences of past indefinite. Students, I also appeal you, when you watch the video mine, then you subscribed also. Your comment should be come to me. If you comments me, so I will understand I will understand you are watching the video carefully. you are understanding. So I will request you again, when you watch the video, subscribe definitely, because if you subscribe the video daily, so I will understand, I will feel you are watching the video carefully. So students, thank you so much, very thanks to you. You are attending the online classes and you are working at your home. I request you, please, your homework copy, I will check you. When I inform you, then you submit your homework notebook in the school. Our school time is 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock, but your homework should be completed. When I will check you, your homework should be completed. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.